accomplished. Finally, naona kabuti ya
mwanafunzi, a student at the University of Eldoret. The funding model that is being used right now, it has a lot of problems. In terms that most of us, we are placed in the bands that we are no longer belonging. The governments go and recheck the information for all the students. If possible, watuambie, we reapply so that we give the correct information, they place us in the correct bands, and we receive the correct scholarships and help loans so that we can be able to succeed in our education.
We are asking the government to lower the tuition fees in order to provide us education, and also to increase the government funding for public universities to improve the infrastructure. They are going to also to increase the scholarships and the grants for students in need. We are going to ask the government to include student representatives in the education policy discussions and decision making.
Hawa vijana wanataka kusaidiwa, wanataka usaidizi kutoka kwa national ama county governments. Hatufai kuwa at the 21st century kuna mtoto na drop out of school sababu ya wazazi kukosa school fees.